Thanks for your interest in local web design and SEO. And while it's certainly true we undertake website design for small companies, in this video I'm going to focus on search engine optimization for local companies. Now, it used to be true several years ago that you could rank fairly high in the search engine results without having to undertake too much in the way of search engine optimization. However, in today's much more competitive environment, that's simply no longer the case. So I'm going to outline some of the strategies that you'll need to undertake to get listed on the first page of the search engine results.
Hi, my name is Neil Walker. So why is it that your website is so important for your local business? The reality is that nowadays more than 80% of people who are trying to find a local firm are using online search as their main means to find that company. Now, that's especially true in this era of mobile technology and smartphones. People can start that search even when they're on the road. Now, it used to be that Yellow Pages or advertising in your local newspaper were effective marketing means for small companies. Unfortunately, that is no longer the case. You really must have an effective online presence. So, how do you get to the #1 position in the Google search results? Well, first of all, let me give you a quick couple of examples of the kind of results you should be looking for.
This first screenshot from one of my clients illustrates an ideal situation if you have multiple results on that first page of the Google search for this particular keyword expression. Clearly, this means that potential clients are much more likely to click into your website. This shows the same client different keywords, but in this case it shows the results from Google Places. Now, from the map on the right hand side you can see that Google is now starting to list local businesses, and it's certainly very important to get in the top of that particular list as well. In this case we also have the main website on that first page of the organic results as well. This final shot shows a national search, and I wanted to illustrate here that even with more competitive terms, and you can see that Google has returned over 347 million results on this particular search, that you can see our company, Local Web Design and SEO, is the #1 organic result there.
So that of course brings us to the next question: how do we get your website to the top of the local search results? Well, there are three main components to look at here. The first one is the keywords that you're using. You need to identify the best search expressions that are being used by potential customers who are actually ready to buy your products or to engage your services. So that may not always be the most obvious keywords that you may think of. So once you've identified these expressions, the next component is to optimize those keywords on the pages themselves. So this is called on-page optimization. You want to use those expressions on the meta description, on the tags, on the actual content of the web pages themselves. This means that when Google is crawling your website, they can see the kind of search expressions that you're looking to rank for. Now, the third component is the links that are pointing to your website. These backlinks are very important. The more backlinks you have pointing to your website, the more authority your website has. It's almost like a vote for your website. So let me give you an example of what a backlinking strategy might look like.
So this image illustrates my own proprietary backlinking strategy, and for local business sites this probably would have a much more simplified version of this, but the principle certainly remains the same. If you imagine this is your main website here, you have peripheral websites pointing into that site, and the idea is to get as many different types of links going in. So you'd have blog networks, article directories, Web 2.0 sites, forum posting, RSS submissions, and in this way, as I said, Google will then assign a greater authority to your website as a result and place you much higher up in the search engine results. I've included a lot more information on backlinking on my SEO blueprint ebook that's available at the website, and also you can see the profit from local online marketing, which explains a little bit about the kind of return on your investment you should expect from your online presence.
So hopefully this short video has at least given you a basic outline on how you can get your own website to rank highly for the local search results. Now, as a local business person, I appreciate you may not have the technical background, or you may not have the time to really optimize your own website so that you are getting these kind of results. So that's why I offer a free phone consultation so that I can analyze your own business situation and point you in the right direction so that you can engage more clients, get more customers for your business. I'll put my contact information on the following screen. I'm based in Denver, Colorado, but I'm more than happy to work with any small company within the United States or even worldwide. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.